Hello friends! Today we are going to learn 20 fun school supplies words. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Let's go! Pencil. Let's say it together, pencil. Look at the pencil. Eraser. Let's say it together, eraser. Look at the eraser. Crayon. Let's say it together, crayon. Look at the crayon. Marker. Let's say it together, marker. Look at the marker. Scissors. Let's say it together, scissors. Look at the scissors. Glue. Let's say it together, glue. Look at the glue. Ruler. Let's say it together, ruler. Look at the ruler. Notebook. Let's say it together, notebook. Look at the notebook. Backpack. Let's say it together, backpack. Look at the backpack. Book. Let's say it together, book. Look at the book. Sharpener. Let's say it together, sharpener. Look at the sharpener. Highlighter. Let's say it together, highlighter. Look at the highlighter. Stapler. Let's say it together, stapler. Look at the stapler. Tape. Let's say it together, tape. Look at the tape. Folder. Let's say it together, folder. Look at the folder. Calculator. Let's say it together, calculator. Look at the calculator. Globe. Let's say it together, globe. Look at the globe. Desk. Let's say it together, desk. Look at the desk. Chair. Let's say it together, chair. Look at the chair. Chalkboard. Let's say it together, chalkboard. Look at the chalkboard.